everyone, I'm George, and today we're going to learn 3 different ways to talk about future intentions. But before we begin, please subscribe to Learn English with Cambridge so you don't miss out on any of these bite-sized lessons. Let's talk about I will or I'll. We use this when we make a decision at the moment of speaking, so there isn't a plan. For example, it might sound strange to say, I will get married tomorrow, because it sounds like this person had the idea to get married only a few seconds before speaking, and he probably made this decision alone. Let's have a look at a real example. Happy birthday! I made you a cake.
I can't possibly eat that. Think of an excuse. Any excuse.
I'm a bit full, so I'll eat it later. Okay. The next one is going to, and we use this when we've made a plan to do something in the future. A lot of natives will pronounce this as gonna. Gonna. For example, I'm gonna go shopping tonight. Why haven't you eaten your birthday cake yet?
Oh no. Why haven't I eaten it? I have a special plan to eat it tomorrow.
I'm feeling a bit sick actually, so I'm gonna eat it tomorrow instead. Last of all is the present continuous, and we usually use this when we've made an arrangement with another person. For example, if you've bought a ticket to Paris, then you would probably say, I'm going to Paris, because you have made that arrangement with the person selling the ticket. I noticed that you haven't touched your birthday cake yet. Is there any reason for that? I'm cooking dinner for my friend tonight, so I'm saving it for then, as a special treat. Dave, I've got a present for you. A special treat. I'm saving it for then, as a special treat. I made you a cake. That's all we have time for today. If you enjoyed the lesson, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
If you'd like to learn about past and present forms, check out Rebecca's videos, linked in the description box below.